This isn't match play day, but it
Cashers round.
kind of counts. Cashers round, 4 games. 16, they cut to 16.
Like in my mind,
Place you
I'm
in?
like,
14th.
14th?
Yes, sir.
That's the place I'm going to be in after these 4 games.
I
We're going to go
hope so.
260 over.
Yeah. That's the field average. What scoring pace can be.
I'm just going to need a prayer. Miracles do happen. I believe in miracles.
Mm-hmm.
Today's the day.
Today is the day.
Game 1 update, 212, missed a spare, split. Gotta have huge back 3, looking at 800. Need it. Switching to the black camera instead of the, or I'm switching to the purple instead of the black because purple balls strike more. We gotta start striking because 240 ain't gonna cut it. I need like 270 the back too. And the purple hammer is going to do the job. Positive mindset, positive affirmations. I strike every shot. Every shot. Bro, we can't be having these talks about positivity and then getting 4. It's not gonna knock me down now. It's not gonna knock me down. More strikes to be had. 300 last game. I still got 240 this game. Plenty of time left. Honesty is the best policy. I'm furious that I just threw 9 good shots for 170.
The real question is, how much of that are you going to cut out?
None of it.
Good.
I'm just gonna bleep out the I'm gonna bleep that out.
That's fair.
I need to throw another 9 good shots, and I need all of them to strike and the ones that don't. And then I might make like an extra $25. But yeah, 9 good shots, and I'll get on the plane happy at 440.
You can do it. You can do it.
Yeah.
I believe in you.
Positive mindset. I told myself that last game, and then I got 4 through the middle the next shot. Positive mindset. So this is the point in the day where I realized it was not the day. It went like 20 over, nothing special. You know, I tried to chase it, and then when I realized I didn't have it and I really couldn't get there, I tried to do experiment. You saw me throw reactive the last game. I shot 180, and that's something that I always look to, you know, when I'm truly out of the tournament. I look to try and, you know, learn something in the end where I can experiment with a different ball on that pattern in that condition to try and see, you know, maybe what can I do for next time. So now it's time to catch Prather. He's got 3 games to try and make the top 16, and then 2 after that to try and make the show. If he makes the 2 games after that cut to 8, I'll probably just dip early because I got to get back to the hotel and hop on a plane. So yeah. How we doing? 2 games in. We only have 1 to go, right?
Yeah, one more game and then we cut to the top 8. But shots like you just saw where you get 6 in the fill, not very good for the score. It's a lot of count I lost. I mean, I've lost 30 pins just in fill balls. 5, 5, 5, 4, 5. Adds up.
It does add up, but it's also a time to try something new. Yeah. The problem is I don't know if you tried anything new.
I didn't. I didn't throw it very good.
Didn't focus as much as the previous couple of shots.
I got a Mikey Tang hand on that one. A little grabby.
Never know what you're gonna get.
What are we getting right now?
A bunch of lunatics eating food because they missed the cut.
This is Pakistan. He got a little upset,
Where's yours?
so he cranked it. This is my thumb mitt.
Dude, AJ ripped this out and threw it at me. I love it.
Yeah. AJ's fairly high intensity kind of guy. Yeah, he doesn't have much
AJ is the most intense person on tour.
aside from me when I'm bowling back.
right, so that's it for the summer tour. Thanks for following along, guys. We'll have a vlog out to you tomorrow or the next day on a travel day with some Q&A, so feel free to ask down below if you guys have anything, and as always, subscribe to the channel. Chris finished 5th, first spot of the show. I finished somewhere in the 40s or 30s. I don't really know, I didn't really look, to be honest. That's it for the summer tour on the Chesapeake Open. We'll catch you guys on the next, we'll catch you guys tomorrow, I guess, or on the next vlog. Peace.